A lot of people like to buy these rolling carts because they like to do crafts and stick all their crafts in here. But my plan is to assemble this and use it as a charging station and put some of our, I don't know, microphones, wires, batteries, cables, all of that here in the corner of a room and get it off of my kitchen counter. This is my first time doing a time-lapse video, so let's see how it goes assembling it. And here is the 3-level cart that probably would have taken a normal person about 10 minutes to do. But because I'm not normal and because I'm not crafty, it took me longer. That was part 1. Part 2 is moving my charging station, like the power cord, some of our other accessories all over here. I'm going to do that in a time lapse as well and hopefully show you the finished product. Here is the finished product of my 3-tier rolling cart that I know many people use for crafts, but our family needed for a charging station. So I have my charger there, our batteries, and our new microphone there, our selfie stick and some cables in the bottom. I'll probably add some more things to it, but the most important thing was to get this stuff off of my kitchen counter, put it in this corner, let it charge, and if I need to move it, I can. If I need to roll it around, I can. I can always swap it out and do something different.